So we're doing a bike check right now. This is my 2018-2019 setup. I've got Captain Volume bars, I've got ODI long grips, the ODI bar ends. Down to the stem we got a salt stem with a salt headset with Snafu Magical Fork, Maxxis 2.1 tire, the Alienation Deviant rim, laced to a Profile Elite front hub with Colony stainless steel spokes. The frame is a Hyper Indy 20.5 Logan Martin signature with a Haro seat, a Colony jet fuel seat post, down to 175mm demolition rig cranks. I've got Snafu anorexic pedals with a salt bottom bracket. To the back wheel we got a demolition 2.3 tire, Dennis Henderson rigs with Colony stainless steel spokes laced to a Colony rim and a Mafia Bikes cassette hub. And for the drivetrain we've got a demolition sprocket with a Shadow V2 chain, and that's my bike build. I run 1.95 inner tubes just because it's a little lighter, but also does the same job as any other inner tube.